Welcome to EPM training. I will be going over how to manage your employee master list as a consultant administrator. To access the employee master list, enter the CMS module and come up to the consultant button here and click on the 930 consultant screen. Now, in order to manage the employee master list, you must be set up as an administrator for your company. You will know if you're set up as an administrator if you can see this security tab right here. If you are not set up as a contract administrator for your company, you will need to contact the contract contact individual listed here for your company. So once you have that security access, come over here to the Employee tab, and this is where you will see a list of all the employees that are available to be added on each contract. The Employee tab is a master list for the company. You will only put employees in this list that you will be adding onto a contract. It's also important that you manage these employees and update wage rates as those change. To add an employee to this list, click the Add button. The list that CMS populates is all of the job categories in CMS. You are required to select a job description that best describes the employee. These descriptions and rates are used to develop the Independent Cost Estimate, or ICE for short, that the UDOT project manager develops for each contract request. Try to find the job category that best fits the job title of the employee and the pay rate of their actual wage. For this example, we're going to add an engineer. You're required to enter their first name, last name, and the employee job title. So for Ted, we're going to put him in as an engineer who has a bachelor's degree. We will list his license type as a PE, the license effective date, the license expiration date, the license number, and the license issuing state. In this field, the actual wage rate, this is where we will be putting in his actual wage rate. This is his raw labor, what he actually gets paid. Now when we push enter or tab, the system will automatically calculate the unit price rate based on my company's overhead and a 10% profit. In order to add him, I'm going to click Save. Now notice that Ted shows up down below in the list of employees. Now this is a master employee list, so if Ted or any other employees were to get a raise, in order to update his wage rate for future contracts, you'll need to edit his employee profile. To do so, double-click on the employee name, and now the employee details are editable. This is where I can adjust his wage rates, his license number, expiration dates, etc. Whenever you're making edits, be sure to click Save or CMS will not capture those edits. If you have any questions about managing the employee master list, please feel free to contact any of us here in Consultant Services. Thank you.